I'll guide you through how to earn and get coins in FIFA Mobile. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide.
So we start off in the main menu of FIFA Mobile and I'll show you how to make some coins. First off, we go to the market. At the bottom middle of the screen, we open it up and we go into My Players. Here we can sell players that we already own for coins. For example, I want to sell this De Jong card. I select it and I press sell in the bottom right. Then I press unlock to unlock it. Then I press sell once again. Then I press sale for the third time. And I confirm it. And as you can see, it will take a couple of seconds for it to be sold. Let's see. Let's refresh once more. Oh wow, he's really taking his time and he's gone. After you have sold your card, you just press claim all coins. It is worth mentioning that some cards can be sold instantly, the ones that have red color numbers inside them. For example, this card is with red numbers. That means if I list it, it will sell instantly. But this card right here, if I list it, won't sell instantly because there is one selling already and you will need to wait in a queue. After you're done here, you can exit this and go into quests. In quests, you can make some coins, but not that much, unless you're a beginner. Then you scroll on the left and you find the bottom three sections right here: the versus attack, the head-to-head, and the manager mode. In these modes, if you haven't reached FIFA champion, you can make a lot of coins by playing a lot of versus attack, head-to-head, and manager mode, and you will earn more than 500,000 per new division unlocked. After we are done here, we can go into the store, and here you can open packs for coins. As you can see, there's a lot of packs for coins. They can be bought with different currencies. They can be bought with FIFA points. They can be bought with gems. They can be free as well, as you can see here. Basically, there's unlimited options. Another way to earn coins is through the Star Pass. Going into the Star Pass, as you play and reach new levels, you unlock new tiers of the Star Pass by playing a lot of events and versus attack, division rivals modes. And as you can see, some tiers give coins. For example, this tier gives you 100 coins for the free version and 250 for the premium version. So there's like 6 million coins in every Star Pass. After you are done here, another way is to earn them through daily login. You select daily login on the left, and as you can see, this week I can earn up to 800,000 coins in FIFA Mobile. Let's exit this, and the last way to earn coins is through playing the events. By playing the events, you get to unlock players. For example, the Hall of Legends event, you get to unlock players that you can later sell, and you can play skill games that will give you a lot of coins. As you can see, every skill game gives me 20,000. And after you unlock the players, they will be most likely very expensive. You go back to the market, you go to My Players, and you list them on the market, and you enjoy your new coins. That is it. Thank you for watching.